Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually watch DSTV in your local language. So I'm talking about watching a video or a movie or maybe a TV show whereby there is a subtitle in your local languages. Alright, so all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the blue button, which is going to take you to the menu. The blue button is the DSTV logo on your remote. So when you come here, you look for settings, and you come to the user preference. That's the first option. You press OK on it, and you come to the second option, video and audio. You press OK, and when you come here, you come straight to the subtitles right there. So with the subtitles, then you change the option to the language that you prefer. All right, we have French, Portuguese, German, and other languages over there. All right, so if you choose your preferred language, all you got to do is to press on the exit button or the return button on your remote to actually let it save automatically. So you press it and then it's gonna save automatically. All right, so if you find this video helpful and you're new here, you got to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.